Hello, everybody. Today we are going over the chocolate experiment, a delicious descriptive study. We are studying the problem that during nursing school, especially the RN to BSN program, it can be very stressful. You know, working full time, family, kids, and everybody that needs something from you. They always need it when you have homework to do, assignments to do, and everybody needs help from you. And then, of course, your family or friends that they call you, I have this going on, or I think I have the flu. What do you think? So what do we do in those times of stress? Well, we stress eat. The purpose of this research study is to examine which chocolate, A or B, is better for stress eating. This will be shown to you quantitatively and qualitatively. The quantitative question will be among RN to BS students, which chocolate is preferred, chocolate A or chocolate B? The qualitative question is what is the lived experience among the RN to BSN students for chocolate A or chocolate B? This here is the participants' signed consent. Next, we have the chocolate study instrument. So what you see here is the participant is 31 years of age. She is not allergic to nuts or chocolate that does not have nuts. And as you can see through the criteria, she was neither hungry nor starving. She was not concerned about her cholesterol or avoiding fatty foods or desserts. She loves chocolate. She strongly disagrees about hating chocolate. And at the time of the questionnaire that was answered, she agreed that she loved both Hershey's and Dove. As we move forward to the following quantitative questionnaire, when she tasted the chocolate A, Hershey's chocolate, she gave the grade of 4 throughout, which the overall grade was a 4, which was good for the Hershey's chocolate. Moving down to chocolate B, which was the Dove, she gave a 5 for texture, moistness, flavor, appearance, and overall a 5 for that yummy chocolate. So the results are in. The quantitative results, they show that the participant preferred Dove's texture, moistness, flavor, appearance over Hershey's. And the overall ratings, they don't lie. So Hershey's was good. However, Dove was excellent. Qualitative results, chocolate A, the Hershey's. The initial bite into the chocolate A was rough. It was a bit tough and it breaks apart like a board in your mouth. The chocolate tastes like a semi-sweet chocolate chip that you would cook with, not that you would snack on. It is not very smooth unless you hold it in your mouth until it melts, but I mean, let's be honest, who actually has time for that? Chocolate A is not bad, however, it does lack that smooth aspect. And like we had discussed previously, it snaps in your mouth when you take a bite into it, which that should never be the case with chocolate. And chocolate B, the Dove. The taste of chocolate B is a wonderful experience. The chocolate is smooth, it softly breaks apart in your mouth. It has a significantly smooth and enjoyable sweet taste that makes you want to continue eating more and more and more. And chocolate B makes you only want to eat this type, and it literally tastes like little bits of heaven.